ultimate banana bread. Take one. All right, guys. I know we've made banana bread before, but we've got bananas, and Billy's like, I want some banana bread. So we're going to mix it up just a little bit on this one. So I have 1 stick of room temperature butter. Room temperature here is really soft right now. So we got that. I'm going to dump in 2 eggs. And 1 1/4 cup of just white sugar. And 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And the buttermilk that I use is this. The Seiko. It's powdered buttermilk, but you can just use regular milk and just put a tablespoon of white vinegar in it or lemon juice, something like that, and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it starts to curdle. All right, so we're going to mix this up. We're going to make 1 9x5 pan. And then we're going to make some small ones. I don't know how many it's going to make. So then we're going to put in 1 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So 1 and a little. 1 1/4. Get that all mixed up there. All right, I have 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour right here. And then I have 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Just mix that up a little bit. Let that sit for a second or so while we put in our bananas right here. So we have 1 that's really good for banana bread. It's really soft, which is what you want.
Mm-hmm. Brings out all the oils in it.
And then the other 3 have brown spots on them, but they're not as soft. So you want them really soft, though, for the sweetness. But this is what
they can even turn completely black, and that's the best.
And all the oils that's in them comes out. All right. These ones here are just perfect for eating right now, though. Mm-hmm. Could set another day or so, but we're going to use them.
We're going for it.
And if you want to put them in a microwave for about 30 seconds, that'll turn them soft too and get them a little brown.
No extra charge for that?
Just a little tidbit. But you know what?
Oh, they smell good.
We just wing it here. All right. Now we're just going to mix those all up in here. And you can mix those bananas up first and smash them up if you want. I just usually just use my mixer and mix them up. There's what we're looking like. Doesn't take much to mash those bananas up.
Are you doing any sour cream or anything like that in them?
Not in this. Not in this one. We got the buttermilk.
I've put sour cream in them before, and it really makes it moist. And I'm thinking maybe even Greek yogurt would be good at it.
Yes, it would. But I've got my portions all done for this. And if I put some of that other stuff in it, then we have to change things up.
I'm just making suggestions.
You can. That's how we made our other with sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now we're going to mix in our flour, soda, and salt. And you don't want to overmix it or it'll be tough. Just until it's combined.
Oh, it smells good.
He won't be able to wait the hour. And then you know banana bread, even after it sits for a few hours or the next day, it's even better. When those flavors all go through that.
And guys, if you ever tried slicing it up and putting butter on both sides and putting it in an iron skillet and grilling it. Oh, it's so good.
All right. We're going to call it mixed up.
Or if you have a flat stone, Blackstone or
Oh, yeah.
flat grill outside, you could do
Put
that
that
as well.
up on that flat top. All right, so we are going to put nuts in all of it, okay? So I have a cup of walnuts. You use whatever you want. You don't have to use any if you don't want. So we're putting in a cup.
But why wouldn't you? I mean, nuts is what makes the flavor.
Yeah, some people can't have them, so we always tell them whenever I give stuff away, hey, it's got nuts in it or peanut butter, because some people are allergic to it.
Thankfully, I'm not. I like all of that.
All right.
I've been blessed.
So I have my loaf pan here. I'm going to spray it with some olive oil. And then we're going to pour a little bit of that mix into that pan. Okay, now we're going to put some cinnamon and sugar. I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon on here. So we're just going to pour that on there. I'm just going
I bet that'll really make
to make a little...
Wow.
Yeah.
I've never had it like that.
See? And then we're going to put some more mix on top of that.
Oh, that smells good, that cinnamon. Oh, that whole loaf will be gone today, I bet.
Somebody who was going to eat good today. I mean, this is good.
Oh, it's very good.
Let's put some more on top.
But if you're on somewhat of a diet or a whatever.
All right, so that one's ready. Now I have some mini loaf pans that we're going to use. Like I said, I don't know how many it's going to take, so we're just going to do about 3 of them first.
That's probably more than enough.
I don't know. I think I'm going to put some of that cinnamon, since I have some extra, on these too. And I have some chocolate chips here, mini chocolate chips. We're going to put a little bit of that right in the
Look at
center.
that.
Right in the middle of that.
I bet that'll really be good.
And then a little bit more on top of that. Okay.
You can also make a glaze to put on these.
Yep. Look at this. People at church are going to love me for this. I'm going to give these ones away, probably. That's my plan. If I make it out the door with it.
We might founder ourselves on them. Yeah.
All right.
Ice cold glass of milk or a cup of coffee.
Listen at him. He's already planning. He asked for this yesterday, and I didn't do it. This one's not going to be a very big one, but we're just going to put it all on there. Got to get all that out of there. All right. We're going to sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on this because I have some left. So might as well. You know, bananas, cinnamon sugar, that all goes together.
Oh my, yeah.
All right, let's put some chocolate chips on there, just because we can. All right, we're going in a 350-degree oven. It's preheated. This one will take about an hour, at least an hour. And then the others, 17, 18 minutes, or no, probably 30 minutes.
Oh, at least.
Yeah. So we'll let you know when we take them out and what they look like. All right, guys. The big loaf was in my oven for 60 minutes. The little ones was 35 minutes. Here's what they look like. And they're still hot. But Billy's, he can't wait. So we got to cut it. And I know he likes the end, but guess who gets the first piece since I'm cutting it? All right. There's what we've got.
That looks good. Slap a little butter on there.
No butter for me. But it's still warm, and we're going to give it a taste here. That cinnamon and sugar in there.
Does it take away from the banana?
And you want to taste? He figured out a way to get it part of my end.
That is good.
All right, guys, give these a try, and you can customize them however you want. You can put a little bit of peanut butter on them if you want. Peanut butter and banana bread.
Make a glaze and put over them.
Yep, whatever you want. Very versatile recipe. Like we put chocolate chips, we put sugar and cinnamon, we put walnuts. Whatever you want to do. All right, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.